Hello, Billy Bryson, Bryson Team Real Estate, with a message about your neighbor's home at 12720 Venice Boulevard, unit number 203 in Los Angeles. They've just put this home up for sale and wanted you to be the first to know about it. Please stay tuned to the end of this video as I will be providing pictures and a video of the home. We're also offering the house at a great price, and it's packed full of upgrades and special features. So if you or if you know of anyone that might be interested in a home in your neighborhood, please let me know, and we'd be happy to provide a detailed property information package, and we can even arrange a private viewing. If you may be considering making a move in the near future and would like to get an idea of what you can expect to sell your property for, I'd be more than happy to provide you with a free home evaluation along with some tips on what you can do to get top dollar for your property. I look forward to hearing from you as soon as possible. And again, my name is Billy Bryson. You can call me at 562-248-6161. Thank you and have a great day. Bye-bye.